Hello folks and welcome. Today I have for you this Parkside Cordless LED work light. I got it from Lidl. It costs only 17 euros, 3 years of warranty. It's equipped with rechargeable lithium-ion battery with capacity of 4000 mAh. Pretty large battery for such work light. It has 3 working modes: work light, UV light and torch. Adjustable magnetic stands. There are some accessories in the package. Fold out hook. This is an example how you can use it. So let's open and see what we have inside. Of course we have the light itself. We have this little box, the charging base, and of course a manual. What we have here: USB-C cable, a standard USB adapter, 5 volts, 1 amp, you can attach the base to the wall using the screws that are included in the package. And this is how the work light looks like. Pretty nice hook. Basically it can move in any direction. Here we have one magnet. And second magnet. This is the USB-C charging port. The battery level indicator, but it's only working when you're charging the device. And now let's start it. This is the work light mode. This is the UV lamp mode. You can see how the white is glowing when illuminated with the UV lamp. And this is the torch mode. Of course, you can use the UV light to find out how authentic are your money bills. Now let's test the charging base. And the battery level indicator is flashing. The battery is not fully charged. And you can still use all the working modes of the lamp. My overall opinion is that for its price, this is a really nice product with lots of capabilities and one really large lithium-ion battery. thumbs up and subscribe if you like the video. Bye for now, guys.